As we take a look at some of the winners and losers with this coronavirus outbreak, what are your thoughts out of the gate?
Well, so currently my thoughts are, of course, we have a lot of hoarding going on. We have people buying far more of these products from these retail companies than they would normally, especially because places like restaurants are closed. So, you have Amazon, you have Target, Walmart. These have been the prime leading retailers before this crisis, and now they're going to be doing even better. For me, I think that their next quarter earnings is going to show just how strong this quarter has been because of the coronavirus.
Yeah, I understand. Jerome, what do you think? We mentioned some of the biggies and some of the favorites. Can you expand on that?
Well, I think what's most concerning is the amount of discounts that we're already seeing. In a collaboration with StyleSage, Refinitiv found out that the amount of merchandise on sale already has spiked up compared to a week ago for U.S. mall stores. So, for example, a week ago, about 43% of all the merchandise was on sale. And this is it spiked up to almost 50% this week. And that is very, very worrisome because also the average percentage discount has gone up. And this is a problem because when you look at the risk models from Refinitiv, you can see that a lot of these U.S. mall stores are already they're in trouble because they have a high probability risk, and the higher this pandemic,
names like which
obviously
ones?
the higher
Names
risk.
like which ones? They were marking down
U.S. mall stores. So we're
names
talking
like which ones?
So we're talking about U.S. mall stores, right? We're talking about Gap and the department stores that have been struggling for some time. This is just putting more pressure, and therefore, because they have to move that inventory and they're still paying wages to their employees, you're seeing that this is going to take a big hit on the bottom line.
I understand. Danielle, tell me more about some of the names. I mean, you mentioned Amazon, Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Many stores have closed, but some have managed to stay open for the things that we need the most.
Yes, that's correct. So, what Jerome is saying about retail stores in the mall, I absolutely agree. There's a complete difference right now between retail stores and stores that are providing consumer staples. So currently right now, we're seeing incredible demand in Amazon. They've actually had to push their deliveries back 2 and 3 weeks. They're not able to fulfill their prime deliveries right now. And they've also said that they're going to hire another 100,000 workers to meet that demand. They're also hiring at grocery stores around the country. Walmart has noted this as well, and Dollar General. So, we're seeing a demand in retail stores and malls drop off, but consumer staple stores are just flying sky high.
Right. Jerome, give me final thoughts looking forward into the back half of the year.
Well, I agree with what was just said, that in fact that a lot of the necessities, key items, the demand is spiking. But on the same hand, it's very important to know that this is coming at a very great cost. Take, for example, Target today. They gave us a coronavirus update, and they said this also comes with a big increase in expenses, a $300 million investment, and paying more wages and giving out more bonuses and raising wages for those employees that are, on the front line and sticking up their lives in order to provide these essential items. So at the same time that the demand is going up for these products, there's also a spike in expenses, and those are going to be we're going to see those during the earnings season. Nike reported yesterday their revenue beat expectations, but earnings were down because their expenses are high. And already we're seeing on Nike's website a 25% statewide sale, which is very unusual for Nike. So yes, there are good things, but it's coming at big expenses.